Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this visor assembly for first generation Toyota Tacoma. As you all know, I am restoring my first gen Tacoma, upgrading all the internal parts I can find that Toyota has not discontinued, because my truck deserves the best. And this is the driver's side visor assembly. Wow. I mean, current one I have on the truck is 25 years old, so all this stuff is fading, so it's going to look really good with, oh shoot! It's going to look really good with this so I didn't break it. Wow. No, it looks a little, what's with this? Looks a little bent already, what the heck? It's supposed to be like this? Yeah, it's fresh though, it's fresh. It's supposed to be curved like this. It's interesting. Install this, let you all know how it goes. But yeah, let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Interesting. Interesting with that bend. Yeah, let you guys all know how it goes. Hope you're all doing well. Stay tuned for my next unboxing video. Later.